Hi everyone, welcome to my slime video. And we're gonna make this and we're gonna be some slime. So it's actually great. Now let's go. Guys, me, this is the slime supposed to be. So let's go.
May ganong setup. At saka Ate Liz, hindi naman ikaw lang tinitira yan. Lahat ng advisory class. Ini-inform ko lahat ng advisory class na pag may nag-inquire pa sa kanila for tutoring at ang tutoring na aim na ang highest grade, stop na. Hindi lang po ikaw.
Let's go through the slime. So this is actually not like this. So I buy this pink slime. This is very satisfying for me and this is actually so good. So this is just bigger slime. It's super fun.
Dito yung pinasal kay Ma'am Jen. Dahil, okay.
If you want to go to SM, find a slime like this. Bye everyone.